Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today we're going to show you how to pull this T-post fence. We're going to take it all down from one side to the other, and then in another video we're going to show you, I'm going to replace that with a wooden picket fence. But before you watch this video, make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on all my videos. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, let me get a close-up on this. We've got these little clips here, and what we're going to do is, notice they're clipped around here like this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take the pliers and pull it out like that, and clip gone. We're going to take all those clips out. Alright, so Speedy Shape is getting those things off. Oops. You gotta watch me fail on this. Just like that. Piece of cake. Meanwhile, at the other end of the fence, I need to get it. The tree grew right through the fence, and I got to get that off of there. Got my Porter cable cutter here. Just and that's taken away from that tree. Now we can cut that tree down and get it out of there. Oh, that didn't take long thanks to the superhuman strength of Chafin. Now we're rolling it up. And it's another fence for Mom to use somewhere around the house. So we got the fence out, rolled it up, piece of cake. Now we're going to pull these T-posts, and what you do is you hook this behind one of these right here. You pull up. This one's really easy. This one's not even hardly in the ground. So that's how you get that T-post out.
Almost didn't even need the T-post.
Maybe we didn't even need them. We will on some of them. All right, let's see if we got a little bit tougher one here. Put that thing in there. Get this foot close to the bottom there, so and look at that. Oh, easy.
Worth every penny.
Worth every penny. If it doesn't come up, you just go down a little bit, give it another pull, just like that. 2 T-posts. Let's get another one. Let's keep going. This is nice. I'll tell you what, this was worth the 60 bucks we paid for it. Handyman Hardware. That is how you remove a T-post fence. This is the shack that Dennis built. Thanks for watching.